Hi, I'm Ben Gaines with Adobe Analytics Product Management, and today I want to show you a new feature coming out in the Analysis Workspace with the June release of Adobe Analytics. Previously with Analysis Workspace, as you may have seen, you had the ability to add a simple bar graph or a line graph to a table to visualize it. With the June release, we've added a few new visualization types that are worth being aware of. So you had bar graph. Previously, we've added horizontal bar, which is what it sounds like, and we'll graph the table on which you place it horizontally rather than vertically. We've also added the donut graph, and here you can see you can graph multiple metrics at the same time. You can turn off line items that you don't want to graph. Pretty simple and straightforward. We will be continuing to add new visualization types as we go, going beyond just these sort of simple visualization types. One important thing to note about these visualizations, we have added some settings, so you can actually change for a visualization. If you click on the gear icon, you can change the visualization type directly from within the visualization settings. You also have some pretty granular control over the visualizations themselves, so you can change the number of items that are graphed. You can normalize the data. So I just did that. I had revenue and page views, which are on very different scales, and so I can normalize those. I can hide the data source, so if I just want to display the graph, I can do that here, and I can always, of course, show it again as well. I can even actually change the table on which the graph is based. So if I have multiple tables in my project, I can take a visualization and change the table that is being used to generate that visualization. The other thing, so this is sort of this is for ranked reporting primarily, but let's say I have some trended data. Normally, or I previously would have dragged over a line graph. Pretty simple. We now have the area graph, which is just the sort of the filled-in line graph. And as I mentioned in another video, you can actually click here to change the scale. So if you want to start from 0, you can do that, and that sort of flattens things out a little bit. If you want to stay between the highest and lowest points as the upper and lower bound, you can do that as well, just by clicking here at sort of the bottom of that scale. These are the new visualization types that you'll see in June. Many more coming in the near future inside of Analysis Workspace.